Alright folks, come to you off a Fuji camera this time. Wombat Flats, I've extended it. Got the original 3 modules. At the end here, got the new module, the floodway scene. And over the back, I've had to create another new section. This section is an extension to the yard between the roadway crossing just before the signals to just before the crossing at their far end near the downpipe, which has the signals at the other end of course. It's a 3.9 metre storage area. The trains you can see running around at the moment. Got the Spirit of Progress heading north to Sydney, the Southern Aurora heading south to Melbourne. Got the Heritage 4201 on the front, which is one of my rebuilds from Kev's workshop video last year, 2017. Trailing that is a 422 class, both Lima engines, hauling the Hornby Tri-ang coaches. We're coming through again. There's a Lima and Hornby Bulldog. Sorry, yeah, get up there. And this Lima Bulldog was one of my rebuilds from 2017. The Hornby Bulldog is basically an original with the Hornby Tri-ang coaches. Both these trains are 12 carriages each. And you notice the tail cone Spirit as we come through, and the tail cone the Southern Aurora. I've actually printed up the Southern Aurora tailboard. That's the Stratofer standard inkjet printer. With the Spirit of Progress, which is the Melbourne-Sydney train. I have got an original Hornby Tri-ang carriage which I've rebuilt, as in my January video on YouTube. This is how the carriage looks now, especially as part of the consist. The second last carriage is becoming a bit of a pain, but I think for the moment it's behaving itself. And as previous YouTube videos, 2 bits of 19mm poly pipe. It has a little creek area. There's a nice photographic shot. The train's coming through. These are only 1 foot wide by 1 foot high to the top of the scenery. That's the blue backdrop area. There was originally a 12 foot by 1 foot section to go with my bookshelf railway, so HON and the lighting shelf above. So that expanded out to a 20 foot by 8 foot layout, which is now 24 foot by 8 foot. So it gives you some idea. I've got previous videos up on YouTube of course, so I won't go into too much detail on this one. This will just give you an idea from the back of the layout how it looks. Sound like I've got a derail carriage. Yep. This is a view from the opposite side, or inside the layout. That's a floodway. Swing around. There's the crossing area. So between there and far in, 3.9 metres worth of storage. And quickly from the opposite side. Got a couple of issues with these Southern Aurora cars, but by the time I re-wheel them with steel wheels I'll be happy. There you go.